of my forests are getting old. 104 train, running a couple minutes late. Okay, here comes the Pennsylvania 43, and it's supposedly supposed to have the Veterans Unit number 42 on it. I hope it does, because that's why I came out here. So, we're at Malvern, and here we go. It looks like there's a regular P-42 on it right now. That could change. Hopefully there's a another engine behind it, like yesterday. Because why did they double head it yesterday? It was weird. But, okay, here we go. Hope for the veterans. Yeah. No, it's P-42-16 there. P-42-16's on the front. I don't know if there's anything behind it. I hope there is. Oh, okay. Here we go. It doesn't look like there is, but at least I got K5LA. And oh, here it comes. I don't know which one that was.